Hello guys, just a quick tutorial for Die With A Smile by Bruno Mars. So, ang chords ng intro ay just ano lang, A major 7, D major 7. Tapos sa verse, pareho lang, A major 7, D major 7. Tapos sa pre-chorus is D major 7, D major 7, A major 7, C sharp minor, tsaka F sharp. Tapos sa chorus, B minor 7, E, A minor 7, F sharp. Yun lang po.